When it comes to the outer space, the famous NASA organization has tremendous responsibilities. But one of the things that the heads of NASA have been worried about for many years is what happens if a wandering asteroid comes for a head-on collision with planet Earth. It could bring about havoc. Hundreds of millions of people could lose their lives. And therefore NASA set out on an experiment where they would send an object into outer space to crash and collide with an asteroid and see if they could move it from its trajectory. If they could move it by even just 72 seconds of its orbit, NASA said that would be a tremendous success. 10 years in the making. Over $300 million was spent on this project. 11 months traveling hundreds of millions of kilometers. And the dart that NASA sent hit Dimorphos asteroid on the 26th of September, exactly 3 years ago to date. And to NASA's tremendous surprise, that little nudge, not only did it move it from its orbit by 72 seconds, it actually moved it from its orbit by a full 32 minutes, which is an unbelievable success. And I was thinking to myself, the fact that this experiment concluded during the 10 days of Teshuvah, perhaps it's a message from Hashem to us that we too need to change our trajectory that little bit. We need that nudge to change our orbit. And don't think that a little nudge will do a small thing. It can actually make a very big difference. So many people think, I have my orbit. I have my societal expectations from me. I have the things that I'm accustomed and used to. I can't change. I can't be different. This experiment teaches us that even one small step, one little nudge in the right direction can make a massive difference. And that is why we always read Parashat Vayelech during around the 10 days of Teshuvah. Because Vayelech means to walk, to take a step. This is the difference between humans and angels. Angels are called Omdim. They can't change. An angel will always be the same from the day it's created and ever after. Only humans are able to progress, to take a step. And the call therefore during the 10 days of Teshuvah is Vayelech, take a step, move in the right direction. That little step, that little nudge can reach so much in your personal orbit. It can change things that you cannot even imagine. Not only for yourself, but for all the people around you. Because inspiration has no bounds and no limits. Remember the famous quote, one small step for man, one big step for mankind. Wishing you Shabbat Shalom.